The Bitcoin roller coaster continues to be on a wild ride tonight. The cryptocurrency has gone from hitting a new record price yesterday to nosediving today. Deirdre Bolton of Fox Business Network tells us what Bitcoin is and why it's so volatile.
Bitcoin launched in 2009 after the global credit crisis, when many people lost faith in government and the financial system. From a practical standpoint, Bitcoin is a digital currency. There is no government guaranteeing it. There is no central bank printing it. It is a peer-to-peer software system that mimics what cash does in the physical world. Every Bitcoin bought and sold is recorded in an open ledger, constantly updated across every participating computer's program in a public spreadsheet maintained by its users that is called the blockchain. As for Bitcoin safety, whether or not you should buy it, most experts say not without a strong stomach.
Bitcoin is as safe as you can make it. There are elements of it that make it extremely safe and extremely transparent, but there are also issues about it. There's a lot more put onto you as the user to secure your Bitcoins than if, say, you went to your bank and you have your dollars. The bank is responsible for all your money. You are responsible for your Bitcoin. So there are elements of it that make it more secure, but there's also a lot more responsibility put on the user to ensure that.
There are few vendors that accept Bitcoin in exchange for a physical good, such as a bowl of French onion soup.
A lot of places you're going to go to and you'll say, hey, do you take Bitcoin? And they're going to say, what's Bitcoin? Because a lot of people still haven't heard about this yet. But as long as you can find somebody else who is willing to accept Bitcoin in exchange as a payment, yeah, you can use it to exchange it for real goods.
Even Bitcoin experts say they are not sure the day will ever come that Americans will use Bitcoin instead of dollars. It's just too early to tell. The people who are jumping on the Bitcoin bandwagon are investors. The reason? The value is soaring. On Thursday alone, the value of a Bitcoin rose 40% in 40 hours. Its year-to-date gain is now 1,500%. For the investment community, Bitcoin is becoming mainstream. Starting on Sunday, the Chicago Board of Exchange will begin offering trade in Bitcoin futures. A competing exchange will offer the same later this month, the NASDAQ in the first half of 2018. As for Wall Street, there's a mixed reaction. Morgan Stanley will wait and see. Goldman Sachs said it will trade Bitcoin futures on a case-by-case basis. But JP Morgan Chase's CEO Jamie Dimon says it is a fraud and he will fire anyone who trades it. In D.C., look for more political candidates to accept campaign contributions in Bitcoin, much as Senator Rand Paul did in 2016 when he ran for president. Brett?
One to watch. Deirdre, thank you.